You know what's impressive and exciting? We've reached a point where robots can do many things like jumping, playing, dancing, and even competing with humans. Yet one of the hardest things for a robot to do is something most of us complain about every week: laundry. Seriously. A company named GigaAI has just introduced a humanoid robot designed not for factories, but for homes. It's called the SeeLight S1, and if everything goes according to plan, it could become one of the first robots capable of handling real household life. And that's where things start to get truly interesting. Meet the SeeLight S1. So let's talk about what this robot actually is. As I mentioned earlier, SeeLight S1 was developed by GigaAI in collaboration with the Hubei Humanoid Robot Innovation Center and the Hubei Humanoid Robotics Industry Alliance. This robot is specifically designed for everyday household tasks, making it very different from most humanoid robots we've seen so far. And when they say chores, they mean everything people usually avoid. In demonstration videos released by the company, the robot has been shown doing many different interesting works like chopping vegetables, frying eggs, loading a washing machine, hanging laundry, making a bed, opening curtains, organizing household items. At first glance, this might not sound revolutionary, but in robotics terms, each of these tasks is extremely complex, which is what really caught my attention. Take something simple like making a bed. A human does it in seconds without thinking. But for a robot, it requires identifying blankets, understanding their orientation, adjusting grip strength, avoiding wrinkles, and adapting to different bed sizes and layouts. Even loading a washing machine is not straightforward. The robot has to recognize clothes in different shapes, pick them up without dropping them, locate the machine, open it, and place items correctly. These are not just physical tasks. They are perception plus decision-making plus motion planning problems happening at the same time. That's why many experts believe household robotics is one of the hardest challenges in AI today. Home environment is difficult for robots. Here's the simple truth most people don't realize. Homes are much more difficult for robots than factories. In factories, everything is structured. Objects are placed in fixed positions. Lighting is controlled. Tasks are repetitive. Nothing really changes day to day. But a home? A home is pure chaos from a machine's perspective. Imagine a robot trying to do laundry in 3 different situations. One day the clothes are neatly placed in a basket. The next day they're scattered on the floor. Another day they're mixed with towels, toys, or even pets lying on top of them. Humans adjust instantly without thinking.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Standardized. Even small changes become big problems. A chair moved slightly to the left can confuse navigation. A blanket folded differently can confuse object recognition. A child walking into the room can completely change the robot's path. And that's why GigaAI and other companies are not just building robots anymore. They are building intelligent systems that can adapt to unpredictability. The SeeLight S1 uses something called Embodied AI. In simple terms, instead of pre-programming every action, the robot is taught to understand goals and figure out how to achieve them in real time. So instead of telling it, pick up this shirt, walk 3 meters, open machine, place shirt inside, you simply say, do the laundry. And the robot is expected to figure out everything in between. That shift might sound small, but in robotics, it's massive. Real home testing, real risks, real breakthroughs. One of the most interesting parts of this announcement is not the robot itself, but where it's going next. GigaAI plans to test the SeeLight S1 in real homes. According to CEO Zhu Zheng, a fleet of around 100 robots will first be deployed in controlled housing environments used by employees in high-tech industries. After that, the company plans to expand trials into actual households in Wuhan as early as 2027. And these aren't just random homes. The focus will be on families with elderly members, children, or pets. That choice is important because it shows where the real demand is expected to be. Elder care, in particular, is becoming a major driver for household robotics. Many countries are facing aging populations and a shortage of caregivers. Robots could potentially help with daily tasks like bringing objects, monitoring safety, assisting with mobility, helping with chores, providing reminders. However, this is also where things become sensitive. A home is not just a workplace. It's a personal space. People want safety, privacy, and trust. That's why GigaAI has included a compliant control mechanism that immediately freezes the robot if it detects children or pets nearby unexpectedly. This is not just a technical feature, it's a trust feature, because no matter how advanced the AI becomes, people will not accept robots in their homes unless they feel completely safe around them. And that might actually be the biggest barrier to adoption, not intelligence, trust. The hidden bottleneck: data, data, and more data. If there is one thing holding household robots back, it's not hardware, it's data. Modern AI systems learn from experience. The more examples they see, the better they perform. But here's the problem. Factories generate clean, structured data. Homes do not. Every household is different. Every room is arranged differently. Every family behaves differently. There is no standard home environment. That makes training robots incredibly difficult. As robotics experts have pointed out, domestic environments are non-standardized, meaning robots face a world that changes constantly. This is why companies across China are now racing to collect real-world household data. One of them is Shenzhen-based OneRobotics. The company recently announced a 45 million yuan project focused on gathering data from real environments, including kitchens, bedrooms, bathrooms, balconies, retail spaces, elder care environments. Their robots will perform real tasks like storage, tidying, and retrieval. This is extremely important because robots don't learn from theory, they learn from experience. In many ways, this feels similar to the early days of self-driving cars. The companies that collected the most real-world driving data ended up leading the industry.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever is on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
We may be seeing the same pattern repeat with humanoid robots: the market race and the cost factor. Now let's talk about something very practical: money. Right now, most humanoid robots are extremely expensive. They are research machines, not consumer products. But GigaAI has a clear goal. They want to reduce the cost of the SeeLight S1 to below 100,000 yuan, roughly $14,700, by mid-2027. If that happens, it completely changes the conversation. Because at that price point, robots start moving from experimental technology to consumer electronics. The global household robotics market is already worth tens of billions of dollars and is growing rapidly. Currently, robot vacuum cleaners dominate this space, but humanoid robots could expand it dramatically. The idea of a robot that doesn't just clean floors, but actually interacts with the physical environment like a human assistant opens up entirely new possibilities. However, industry experts like Unity Robotics' Wang Xingxing have already pointed out that while industrial use of humanoid robots is progressing quickly, home environments remain much more challenging. And he's right, because no matter how cheap a robot becomes, it still needs to actually work reliably in real homes. Otherwise, it's just an expensive gadget. Public reaction, excitement, doubt, and curiosity about the future. As expected, public reactions to these developments are mixed. Some people are genuinely excited. They see robots as the next big leap in everyday convenience. A machine that can handle laundry, cooking, and elder care sounds like a dream for busy families. Others show serious concerns. They point out that robotic demos often look far more impressive than real-world performance. A robot that works perfectly in a video may struggle in a messy household environment. Privacy is another major concern. People are uncomfortable with the idea of robots equipped with cameras and sensors moving freely inside their homes. But there's also curiosity. Many people are asking a simple question: If this actually works, how will it change daily life? And that's the real question behind all of this. Personally, I don't think robots will replace human caregivers, family members, or human connection anytime soon. But if they can take care of repetitive chores, help elderly people stay independent, and give families a little more time for the things that actually matter, that could be a huge step forward. Whether the SeeLight S1 succeeds or not, one thing is clear. The race to bring humanoid robots into our homes has officially begun, and the next few years are going to be fascinating to watch.